Imagine Samsung quietly working on a foldable so different, it almost slipped out of the rumor cycle completely. Just a quiet database entry that may have revealed the whole thing. According to a fresh update, Samsung's rumored Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide has resurfaced, this time appearing inside the GSMIMEI database. And while the listing itself doesn't reveal specs, the implications are huge. The device shows up under multiple model numbers, reportedly targeting China, Korea, the US, Canada, and global markets. That's not how you treat an experiment. That's how you prepare for a major release. What makes this even more interesting is the model number pattern. Variants of SMF 971 appear in the database, matching earlier leaks tied to this so-called wide fold. And this isn't the first time we've seen that number. Late last year, it surfaced briefly before disappearing, sparking speculation that Samsung was developing a second fold alongside the main Galaxy Z Fold 8. Now it's back, and this time, it feels real. So what makes it wide? The big idea is the display. Instead of going taller like most foldables, which often feel narrow and stretched, this version is rumored to go wider, possibly closer to an 18:18 aspect ratio when unfolded. That would completely change the experience. Think less, giant phone, and more, compact tablet. More horizontal space for multitasking. Better video viewing, improved split-screen apps, and potentially a more natural layout for productivity. If that concept sounds familiar, it's because Apple is rumored to be exploring something similar for its first foldable device. And Samsung knows it. Now imagine Samsung's summer lineup if this is true. Galaxy Z Flip 8. Regular Galaxy Z Fold 8. And the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide as a third premium option. That's not just an upgrade cycle, that's segmentation. And the timing makes sense. Recent reports suggest Samsung wants to lean harder into the Fold lineup, even increasing production compared to the Flip. The Fold 7 reportedly performed better than expected, and honestly, I get it. It was tempting. Big screen devices are clearly gaining traction. And if more users are moving toward larger displays for work, gaming, and content, a wider fold suddenly feels logical, not experimental. For years, people complained that foldables felt too tall and narrow when folded. This could be Samsung finally responding. So maybe this wide fold didn't disappear. Maybe it was just waiting. If Samsung truly launches a wider foldable this year, it could be one of the most interesting form factor shifts we've seen in a while. But now I want to hear from you. Would you actually buy a wider Galaxy Z Fold? Or is Samsung overcomplicating the lineup? Drop your thoughts below, and I'll see you in the next one.